Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a stretchy bracelet with a crimp bead. I have a predetermined amount of beads here because I'm going to make about a 7-inch bracelet. The average size for women is about 7.5. We'll see what size it actually comes out to. It always changes within making it as it is. So I also have a pair of hemostats here. I'll hold your work closed for you. A pair of crimp bead pliers and a pair of scissors. And of course my little tiny crimp bead here, you can barely see, and my stretch cord. So first I'm going to take my stretchy cord and clamp it with the hemostats at the very end of it. And then I'm going to put my crimp bead on first. Then I'm going to put all my beads on. Okay, so we've got all of our beads on there now. We are going to flip this over and bring this crimp bead down just a little bit. We're then going to bring our tail end of our bracelet through the crimp bead the opposite way that we came to begin with. Just like this. I am then going to clamp both ends of my bracelet together so that I don't have to worry about it falling off. Then with my crimp pliers, we are going to grab it in the second hole of the crimp pliers. Just like this. Then we're going to pull it somewhat tight on our bracelet and clamp it. Then with the first hole of the pliers, we're going to make our beads stand straight up like this and push it together so that little crease in the middle folds over. Just like that. And then you can cut off both tails of your bracelet, and that is your stretchy bracelet. Fits on just fine. It's a little big for me. I figured it would be. That's okay. There it is. I hope that you had fun making it. I hope that that helped you out with the crimp bead and the stretch bracelet. I hope that the using of the hemostats really helped. I know that that really helped me when trying to start making stretchy bracelets. You can cover this with the crimp bead cover if you would like. I'm not into that for this one because it would just stand out more. But I hope this inspires you to make many more things, and I hope you guys come back and watch some new projects with me. Until next time, see you guys.